Oh, my friends, I'm telling you, Kenyans, wa Kenya wenzangu na wapenda sana, lakini lazima tubadilishe mienendo yetu. Mambo yale ambayo tunafanya, kubishana na serikali, kubishana na yale mambo na tunajua yanastahili, ni lazima tubadilishe. No ginya tosheja, we must change. My friend, this is America. This is the streets of the most respected, the most busy city, Seattle, Washington. Na watu hawako. I'm telling you, hakuna watu. This is Seattle, the heart of Seattle, America. Wale ambao wako na pesa na wako na everything. Wameambiwa na serikali wakae nyumbani, wamekaa because of their lives. Hawa watu hawana njaa. Hawa watu wako na pesa, hawa watu wako na mabarabara, they have everything. Lakini wanasikiza serikali yao. What is the problem with us Kenyans? What is the problem with us Kenyans? We have to change. My friends, maudu magina tutiga ikobishana namo. Muri moyo wa corona wekuo. Muri moyo wa corona wekuo tafadhali. Woi, mutitiga ilako. People are dying. People are dying. Ino ni America, drenati ya farafara nijega. Adu makaino katao ninyi magotire modo. Gotire orona kamwe. Aria mararuta mawira maria magirire. Na ithu no kugiana na America. Ona kuru thirikari tutoeka tukimithureti atiari. Kutagikiuria kamutagigira internet. Mukirore muona bora maburi maria bagikura kuo. Atu wanazika watu. They are joking. Watu wanakufa, watu wanaumia. My friends, please, let's not leke tutikaigeria muri moyo gwito da muthaitha. This is Seattle. Hii ni town ya Seattle. Watu hakuna, gutire modo. Watu wote wako home. Ororora muthenya mugima gutire modo urona. Ino ni town. Iri urona kure ni ferry. Yokita gutire ona modo irakua. Tondu andu ni marathikiriria thirikari na ni mahete thirikari yao gitio. Riu niki kiratugia nini mbaya na sisi wa Kenya? Let us get serious, please. This is America na wamekubali kutii serikali, and they are very serious about it. They are very serious. Lakini sisi tunacheza tu. We are joking. This is Seattle. Hakuna watu, hakuna everybody. Watu wote wametii sheria, wametii serikali. They are listening to their government. They are taking these things serious. What is wrong with us? Why don't we change? Ona kuru mwathani no agegutuhonokia ri mutikireke agituhonokie tukihithaga tafadhali. Woi nikigeatu nikutwarogeirwo ko ithwe. What is wrong with us? Ati ahujia tumaratu na tuthie makanitha, tuthie tukahoereke no amwirire Ngai no atuigure twi kanitha. Anga icio to nyumba iria twakitana no tucitwe irabu kana nyumba cia maraya. O icio twakite nicio turera tutware andu mathie kuo, mathi makongana makanyitane. Ithi na ngithi kanitha ti mwiri waku tuwa maandiko marakiuga ati ithuĩ ni ithuĩ hekaro ya Mwathani na ni kuo Roho Mũtheru aikaraga thĩinĩ witũ. Nyumba icio ithuĩ twacia gũgĩcemania na gũkĩhoya na gwĩka ngwatanĩro, na to ni kĩremire rĩu nĩ gũthũkire rĩ. Woi tafadhali ndamũthaitha itikirai kuigua ũrĩa thirikari ĩraiga. Listen to the government. The minister of the CS Mutahi Kagwe, he knows what he is doing. Mr. President Uhuru Kenyatta, he knows what he is doing. Raila Odinga, he knows what he is doing. My friends, muraigua andũ nĩ arwaru nginya nene na magavana acio mabũrũri ma nathĩ manacia nanja na magathiĩ quarantine makeyeheria. Why would you finish your family? Why would you finish? Now let me tell you something. When you are not obeying the government, you are also putting us into risk. Todo usoka ukiotorehere mathina macio kutangieterera o hanini tu nari Mwathani atuiguire tha. Why wouldn't you take this opportunity to go and pray and intercede for the nation? What is wrong with us Kenyans? What is wrong? Ona kuro thirikari no igituhitirie ri anga twakirwa na thirikari na turwe na uma. This is the truth. Coronavirus is there. Wash your hands, my friend. Wash your hands. Take care of yourself. Go to quarantine, my friend. Don't joke. Oh my goodness. Jehovah, nduteithia andu aya. Ndumateithie matuike andu agwathe kana kuigua na gwitigira. O mang'ane wanaku. O mang'a thirikari tu. Ora wana waku ri uriga muheo thirikari muhebi. Ora ukimuhe irio ri. mwaimera mukwere niguo mukwenda. Please, I'm begging you, my friends, kana wimo kana nduri muhonoku, please heed the government directive. Thikiririo ria thirikari irauga. Listen to what the government is saying. Now you are waiting for the government wakuje na marungu waanze kumpiga, ningemwambia kuga thirikari ni ramuhura. But honestly, what do we do? This is not about money, my friend. This is not about money. Hii sio mambo ya pesa, hapana. These guys wamekubali, wameenda, wamejificha. Wakenya, let us hide us. Wacha ati Magufuli amesema ati mwili wa Yesu hauwezi kuwa na corona. It's okay. I believe that, and that is the truth. Lakini mimi niko na mwili ya ng'ang'a. Wewe uko na mwili ya nani? Wewe uko na mwili yako, hauko na mwili ya Yesu. Huu ujinga wa kiroho tulitoa wapi? Watu wanatubeba ujinga. Mapastors mutielea shirika nyuma dhie. Mutimene maitikire na mathikiriria thirikari. Oh my goodness. My goodness. Who will tell you? Mukerwa no andu aitu. Woi tigai kwenda guthaka na murimu uyu. Riu hati besha, hati siasa. Uyu ni uhoro wa ma. Woi ino ni tauni ya Amerika, ya Seattle. Tauni iho njega biũ theru na ituraga andu guku mundu ahotaga guthie. Ni andu magikira kirabara me maguru. Na riu gutire mundu ni undu wa kuigua na gwathikira thirikari yao. Andu aitu twaga gwiciria ni tuguthira. Bururi witu ni uguthira. Ciana citu ni tugucinina. Warega gwathika uthio ukathia na tauni na ndiuri kindu uragira. Andu matikare micii, tutiumirerio ro hanini tu Ngai atuiguire tha. Na ari tuhote kuhoya. Woi tafadhali. Aikoro andu aya mena mbia na maundu maria na mena mathibitari maria mega muno. But today wote wamejificha. Who are you? Tathie thini wa Google wabio Google market ye haha etagwo Pike Place Market. Market ya tene, market ambao ni tourist hub ya Seattle. Gutire mundu tareke guingiria hanini wone. Tondu mwana wa mukihinyiririo ni thirikari. Tarora gutire mundu. Tathie Google market no guko kuihuritio guo. Gutire mundu, gutire onaki. Ono we aya no aguruki tare ange twina ku gwitu. Look at this, my friends. Hakuna mtu. Market market itare yahingo 24/7. Miaka yothe turaga ihinge. Ino market tarora gutire mundu onaki ni kuhinge. Kenyans, let us not argue with the government. Let us listen to the government. Na ona tukihokaga Ngai tutigicirie. Woi ndamuthaitha tigai gutuninira bururi, tigai gutuninira family, tigai gutuninira ciana, tigai kunina ciari anyu na ciana cianyu na atumia anyu. Tigai tu ndamuthaitha. Itikirai tukuigwa hanini tutombe tukire. Tuhorere